I'm Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, coming to you with this week's Rockamercial, your guide with what's happening here in Rockin' Richmond County. We are in Ellerby at Windy Hill, where they have their season opener this weekend. You can hear some racing going on behind me. The gates open today at 3 p.m. and they will reopen at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning for day one of the NCMX Round One series that will wrap up on Sunday. Gates open on Sunday at 7 a.m. Come out this weekend to Windy Hill here in Ellerby and see some motocross action. You will not believe all the people that come to Richmond County and are tucked away off of Old Highway 220 in Ellerby to come here at Windy Hill. In Hamlet at 11 a.m. at the American Legion, the Hamlet Post 49 will have an Oratorical contest. This contest allows high school students to compete and show what they know about the Constitution. The winner will receive a scholarship for college. This starts at 11 a.m. In Rockingham at 4 p.m., Hippy, Dippy Marketplace will have a workshop, Mommy and Me Valentine decorating cookies. This workshop starts at 4 and you can see more information on the Facebook event page. Live music Saturday night will be at Double Vision with Justin Anderson. In Rockingham at the Lounge in Stryker's Bowling Alley, they will have Eric and Chuck. And in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, they will have Bowtie Karaoke. Also Saturday night, it is steak night at the Grille in Rockingham. This starts at 4 p.m. and the Grille offers you a delicious steak dinner with a baked potato and even turns the lights down a little bit lower, brings out the fine linens. So check out this steak night on the Facebook event page. And if you're not on Facebook, you can just go to the Grille in Rockingham at 4 p.m. Next week, the Cole Auditorium will host a multi-day event for Black History Month. This is courtesy of the students and the club at Richmond Senior High School. You can see more information on that Facebook event page. It will be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, make sure you see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and make sure you're subscribed to our blog to get our newsletter every Monday. We hope to see you this weekend here at Windy Hill.